Let's solve this geometry puzzle. We start with a square frame and a tilted yellow square inside. This creates a corner triangle with an area of 24. And finally, a red circle is hidden in the opposite corner. We need to find its total area. To solve this, let's move the shapes to the left side to make room for our math. Step 1. The yellow square area is 100. So, its side length is the square root of 100, which is 10. This side of 10 is the hypotenuse of our triangle. Let's call the legs A and B. We have two equations. First, a squared plus b squared equals 100. Second, the area is 1/2 AB, which equals 24. Multiplying by 2, we get a times b equals 48. We need two numbers that multiply to 48 and fit the Pythagorean theorem. Let's test 4 and 12. 4 squared is 16. 12 squared is 144. That adds to 160, so it's wrong. Let's try 6 and 8. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. It works perfectly, so our legs are 6 and 8. Now for the circle. It is the in circle of the 6th of August 10 triangle. The radius formula is a plus b minus c, divided by 2. Plugging in values, 6 plus 8 minus 10, over 2. This gives a radius of 2. The final question asks for the area. Area is pi r squared. Since r is 2, the area is 4 pi.